stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis. ABG001 is here. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's break down the market and see let's see what the market has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know what we do in this platform. We will do our daily analysis. Yesterday, some of our trade, some of our trades trigger us in. But to all my subscribers, I really appreciate for your support. To those of you my video just pop up into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn all the notification so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video we are dropping. Let's quickly go into the chart and let's quickly go into the analysis and see what the market has for us. You already know before we go into the chart, let's see the fundamental analysis. Let's see maybe there is high impact news on the maybe there is high impact news or there is no high impact news on USA. Let's see what USA has for us. Maybe there is high impact news so that we can know how we can do in the market. You already know, as I said, news does not create trend. It just continue the trend and it give us volatility. So let's see what the market is going to give us so that we can react to what it gave us. And let's see what the news has for us. Maybe there is high impact news, and you can see the USA, they did a meeting yesterday. You can see that's how it give us volatility. You can see the news that came out favored the US, favors the USD dollar. So let's see what the today is 18th of June. Let's see what the market has for us. And you can see around 12 o'clock we are trading GBP, which is pounds. There is news on pounds around 12 o'clock p.m., which is monetary policy summary and MPC official bank rate fault and what an official bank rate. So let's see what the high impact news is as for us. On 3 o'clock we do not have high impact news on USA. So definitely there's no news on USA, which means there's no volatility much on what on USA. So let's quickly go to the let's see what the chart has for us. You already know we started from sliver. So let's see what sliver has for us. This is XAGUSD. For our daily time frame, this is our daily time frame. And you're on Monday we used to plot our weekly and our monthly and weekly time frame key level. Those are the key level. Those are the higher time frame key level, monthly and weekly key level, which is on daily time frame, which is our daily analysis. We started from our daily time frame, which is our swing high and our swing low. You can see this is our swing high and this is our swing low, and market is in what? Market is in between the two. You can see what the market is doing is in between the what? Is in between the two. And let's just read this recent trend. This is what the recent trend now. This has turned towards liquidity. This has turned towards resistance. And this is what we are having or what inside this daily time, inside the swing high and the swing low. Market is in what is going, the market is in downtrend because this is our demand. We are expecting the market to come to this demand before we can say we are buying what we are buying sliver. So this is what we are still expecting. We are still in sell. Let's just be expecting the sell. So let's move to a 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. As for me, this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame, and you can see the structure of everywhere. The market is what? The market is giving us the downtrend. This is giving us the downtrend, which is all what we just need now is just to see where the opportunity is so that we can join the downtrend. So that is it. So that we can join the downtrend. That is it. This is the key level on 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the supply. This is the supply zone that push this market down. And this supply zone has turned to resistance, which is it has turned to key level again. And this is the last break of structure to uptrend. And this is our demand. And you can see the demand. The demand has turned to what? Has turned to breaker block. The demand has turned to breaker block in which this downtrend what is valid. and this FEG has already been closed yesterday. This FEG that's open on Monday has already been closed yesterday. So let's just plot the new opportunity market is going to give us. And this is our opportunity where we said if the market is coming up, we are selling from here. But you can see the market does not mitigated us in before it started selling. So let's just find where the opportunity is on this 4 hour time frame. After this our breaker block, and this our liquidity swept market just gave us now. You can see this is our liquidity swept market just gave us now, which means what, the downtrend what is valid after the liquidity swept. The downtrend what is valid, and you can see this another liquidity swept market just what give us now. So let's just be patient for this downtrend so that we can join downtrend. This downtrend was is valid. This is a liquidity swept. This is a liquidity swept. You can see the last break of structure, and this is the breaker block. You can see the breaker block. Definitely, we are expecting the downtrend. This is what 4 hours gave us. The downtrend as what has started. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see this is a liquidity swept on 1 hour time frame, and this is a what market structure shift for us. This is a market structure shift for us on 1 hour time frame. All what we need now is just to take the opportunity. So let's move to this is after the market gave us market structure shift. Let's move to 15-minute time frame to see where the opportunity is. On 15-minute time frame, this is where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. After market mitigated this order block on 15-minute time frame, you can see when we define this 1 hour opportunity, this is what break of structure. This is an order block for us. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement, I think this market is what 50% retracement. Definitely, we are what the downtrend has started. Let's see where we can take the opportunity for the downtrend, because market has mitigated this key level, which is breaker block, has mitigated this key level, which is our breaker block. So let's just see where we can see the opportunity. But we don't know what this FEG is going to do, because this on 1 hour time frame we still have FEG near the what near the weekly key level, But as for me, the downtrend is going. Let's plot it here. This is our key level here, or market should come back to this zone before coming down. So we have two opportunity. If market does not respect this recent key level here, if market does not respect this previous key level, which is on 1 hour time frame, we have FEG. So if market does not but if we use Fibonacci retracement on this 4 hours of this opportunity also, the market may retraced 50%. Has not This market has not retraced 50%. You can see it has not retreated 50%. So let's see if the market can come back to this key level. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. But let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see the recent opportunity we are seeing on 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, these are the recent opportunity we are seeing. This is the last break of structure to downtrend. This is the break of structure, internal break of structure and we have other block. This is our other block. Definitely, let's see if the sell is going to happen on 50-minute time frame. Because 4 hours time frame has already been giving us was the downtrend, because 4 hours time frame has touched the breaker block. So definitely, let's see what let's see our TP will be here, and our stop loss should be here. Our stop loss should be over there, and on we have what we have other block here. So which means we are in what? We are in downtrend. Let's see the downtrend. Let's see if the downtrend is going to fall. So this, if market does not repair this key level, definitely is coming to this key level. Yep. So this is what I'm seeing on Sliver. So let's see what good has for us. We have seen what Sliver has for us. Yes, we are in that trend. Let's see what good has for us. This is good. Market has mitigated this FEG also. So let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low, and this is our what? This is our demand. This is our demand. We are expecting the market to mitigate it before we can see what? A uptrend. This is where the buyer are. So let's see if this buyer are still strong to push the market up. But before that, there is what? There is still a space for market to push the market down to this demand zone. So let's see what the market is giving us on daily time frame. As for me, I'm seeing I can count this as what? As liquidity strength, because let's use Fibonacci retracement. If the Fibonacci retracement count, let's use Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement is giving us 50%. So this will serve as our liquidity strength. This will serve as our liquidity strength too. So let us be focused very well. This has served as our liquidity strength. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is our 4 hour time frame. All what we just need now is just to take the opportunity seriously. Just to take the opportunity seriously. So these are our previous opportunity we analyzed. So let's just leave it now. So if market does not respect this recent opportunity, definitely it's coming to this previous opportunity. So since we have seen what 4 hours is giving us, you can see the value of 4 hour. 4 hour. This is the last break. This is the recent. This is the previous break of structure. This is the last break of structure. And market has swept this liquidity. Market has swept this liquidity. You can see market has swept this liquidity definitely. Let's be expecting the sell. Let's be expecting the sell since market has given us liquidity swept. You understand? So let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame to redefine what 4 hours gave us. To redefine what 4 hours gave us. So you see what I said. This is what I said. This is a liquidity. This is a liquidity. This is a market structure shift. After the liquidity swept, market gave us market structure shift. You can see the market structure shift. This is the market structure shift. So market has closed this FEG for us, but the market is in downtrend. So let's just see where we can see this new opportunity, this recent opportunity on 15-minute time frame. This is what 15-minute time frame is giving us. You can see this is the last break of structure. Market mitigated this recent break of this other block on 15-minute time frame. You can see market mitigated it. So let's see the recent opportunity market will just give us now. You can see this is the recent opportunity market just gave us now on what? On 15-minute time frame. So if you want to sell this way we are selling the market, I won't be able to call the coordinates out. I won't be able to call the coordinates out, but these are the opportunity. You can just You can just pause the feed. You can just when you are watching it, just pause it. After pausing it, we see the coordinates. Seriously, I think I know what I'm going to do for you now, so that you can see the coordinates very well. And this is our what? This is our T. This is our TP. This order. This opportunity. So this is the coordinates. So this is the coordinates now. This is our. You can see this is our entry price. This is where we are. This is our entry price, and this is our take profit. This is our take profit, and this is our stop trade. This is where we are stopping our trade. This is where we are stopping our trade. You can see the coordinates. So let me go back to the to sliver to show you the coordinate of the sliver also. This is the coordinate of the sliver also. This is the entry price. This is our take profit, and this is our what? Stop trade slash stop loss. Yeah, I call it stop trade. But normally they call it stop loss, but I call it stop trade because we are the one that plays this the entry there, that if markets reach here, it should take you out. It should take you out. So let's move to US 30. As usual, US 30 is about 30 company that they match together in USA. That's why they are calling it US 30. So from daily time frame now, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is our demand zone. Definitely, the buyer are still waiting here. So you can see the buyer are still waiting here, but the buyer is trying to push the market without the seller. So the seller have not entered the market now. So let's just move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. After market mitigated this FEG on 4 hour time frame, you can see what the market is giving us. This is what the market is giving us. Market has mitigated this FEG. But let's just redefine the market and see what the market has for us. As for me, this is market is in the uptrend, so we guys be patient on this US 30. It's got US 30 is not a currency, it's not a currency, it's not currency, it's a company. So we guys focus on this opportunity. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see maybe there's opportunity on 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. This is the opportunity I'm seeing after liquidity swept on 4 hour time frame. This is a liquidity swept on 4 hour time frame, and this liquidity swept applied to this our liquidity swept on what on 1 hour time frame. But the reason why we cannot take this opportunity is because this opportunity does not mitigated what key level. If it mitigated skill level, we can say the seller has entered the market. But as for now, the buyer are still in the market. So we gats be patient on this skill level unless we see the buyer that's breaking this low, this higher low, this last higher low. If the seller broken it, definitely the seller has entered the market. But as for now, the buyer are still in control of the market. The opportunity is not clear. So definitely, as I used to say, I don't like forcing market. If I not see the opportunity, I will move to another pair to find maybe there it will create me opportunity. But as for this US 30, we gats be patient because as for me, the buyer are still inside the market now. The buyer are still inside the market because the market has not created that the seller has gained the seller has entered the market, has gained the momentum. But as for now, only the buyer are gaining the momentum. So since we did not see opportunity on a higher time frame, what we are seeing is uptrend, and this is the FEG. If we move to 15-minute time frame, maybe if we want to continue this buy, this is where we can continue this buy. This is the FEG of this is the FEG 15-minute time frame gave us, and this is the other block. This is the other block, and this is the FEG 15-minute gave us. So let's just see if the market is going to control this, because you already know that higher time frame is the one that is controlling the market. Only just this smaller time frame, we are just taking our entry there. So if higher time frame is giving us uptrend and lower time frame is giving us downtrend, we gats wait for key level where the higher time frame is, where the lower time frame is, where the lower time frame is going. If the higher time frame is giving us uptrend and lower time frame is giving us downtrend, we gats wait for that retracement. That lower time frame is what is a retracement. So we gats wait to mitigate this higher time frame key level before we can continue the buy. So let's just, since the 4 hours is giving us buy, so this on 50-minute time frame, you can see what the market is giving. It's giving us 15 downtrend, but this is the key level. We can say we are buying, we can continue the buy. So this is the opportunity I see on US 30. So let's move to GU, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD has changed the direction. So the buyer are not in control again. So the seller has changed, the seller has gained the momentum. So let's just see where where the seller can, where the seller created the opportunity for us to join the market. On daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. You can see the swing high and the swing low. Market are in between the what? In between the swing high and the swing low. The internal, these are what? Internal liquidity. This internal structure are internal liquidity. Only just what we just need is just to wait for major opportunity, major demand or major supply. And we are waiting for major demand, because there is what? There is FEG here. This FEG means buyers are still waiting here, and we are having monthly key level here. So let's just continue this sell. All what we just have is just to continue this sell. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This are 4 hour time frame, and this is the last break of structure. This is the perfect opportunity market just created for us. You can see the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, last break of structure, and this is the supply zone where the seller enter, where the seller starts selling the market. This is the supply zone where the seller starts selling the market. All we just need now, let's just move to, as for me, let's move to 1 hour time frame, because there is no a recent opportunity here. There is no recent opportunity on 4 hour time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see what market gave us. Market gave us another recent break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and market gave us what? The other block in which we are still continuing we are selling the market now. You can see what 4 hours and 1 hour time frame is giving us. They are giving us the perfect direction, that this is what, this is where the direction of the market is. Only just we should wait, we should be patient for the market to come and mitigate what? Our direction, and continue what? The downtrend. So as for me, the 1 hour time frame has gave us downtrend. So definitely we gats wait for the market here. Let's wait for the market here. I'm sorry, as I used to say, I'm sorry, just this is our stop trade. Let's now move to let's see where we can take our profit, our next what? Our next key level. This, as for me, this is the next key level. This is the next key level we can take our profits, because there is what? There is a liquidity sitting here. There is a liquidity are sitting here. So let's go. Let's just wait for the market here. Let's just wait for the market here. This is a key level. So market should come back here. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame, this is what 15-minute time frame is giving us. So let's be expecting another sell. You can see 15-minute time frame is giving us the type of buy. So you can see what 50 minutes is giving us. The 1 hour time, the 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame is giving us what? Sell. And 50 minutes what is giving us buy. Which means we guys wait for the what? The opportunity we saw on what? On higher time frame. We have seen the other block on what? On 1 hour time frame. All what we just need for the market on 50 minute on lower time frame is just to do a retracement to mitigate that key level, to continue the sell. So we gats be patient. That's it. Since if you see opportunity, wait, be patient for the market to what? To mitigate you, to take you in. So missing trade is better than losing trade. If the market does not take you in, definitely you will find another opportunity next time. Next day. So let's move to EURUSD, which is EURUSD. Let's see what EURUSD has for us. I don't think I can able to analyze this BTC and Ethereum. But let's see, let me call out the coordinates out. These are the coordinates. On this our entry price. This is where we are entering the market. Just these are what we just have a sell limit. What you just need now, sell limit. Just place your sell limit. This is our entry. This is our take profit, and this are what? This our store. This our stop trade. All we just doing now is stop what? Sell limit. Let's move to Euro USD. From daily time frame on Euro USD, you can see what the market is doing. Market is giving us the five of what? Of downtrend. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is what? This is major break of structure on what? On daily time frame, and these are what? Major supply, major demand zone. You can see the direction of the market. Market is in between what? The swing high and the swing low, and what we just need to have now, let's just market mitigate this major what? Major trend. All what we just need now, this is what? This is the last break of structure market created. Market gave us this opportunity we saw yesterday, and market does not trigger us in. Our direction was aligned with market, but market does not what? Does not trigger us in. That's what I said, that missing trade is better than what? Losing trade. Since market does not trigger us in, we what? We take it like that and we find another opportunity. So this is the direction of daily time frame. The daily time frame is giving us the downtrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is what 4 hours time frame is giving us. This is the last break of structure. You can see the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. This will serve as inducement, seriously, but this will serve as inducement. But on 1 hour time frame, it may serve as what? It may serve as an opportunity for us, because this is our supply. This is where the seller enter the market, and this is the supply. This is the recent supply. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame will give us. What did I say? I said 1 hour time frame may give us as what? As opportunity. But all what you just need now is just let's wait for market to come here. This is our order block now. Because as you are know, this is today, and all what daily candle is doing is just printing out, is just printing the 24 candle or what on 1 hour time frame. So I think we have used up to how many hours now? So let's just continue this opportunity. This is the opportunity we have seen, and this is where we are selling. We are continuing our sell. Let's continue our sell from here. So let's the nearest key level that market is going to take is going to stop here, and there's liquidity here. Market is coming to this support, this key level. So let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us. You can see this is what 15 minutes is telling us. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. Definitely, this opportunity is just what is valid for us. So let's continue this. Let's continue this. The news that came out yesterday favor USA. So the dollar will be bullish now, while Euro USD will be what? Will be bearish. GBP USD will be bearish. Gold too will be bearish. Silver too will be bearish. So we guys what? We guys we guys know what we are doing. So we should trade in direction. We should not trade in opposite direction. So this is the direction of the market now. So let's just continue this downtrend. So let me move to UJ, which is USDJPY. You can see the USDJPY. This is an uptrend. This is the opportunity we saw yesterday, and the market trigger us in. You can see what the market give us how many pips. It give us 5.75 pips. This is our opportunity. Is all your opportunities depend on what loss size you are using. From daily time frame, this is our swing high. This is our swing high on daily time frame, and this is our swing low. This is the demand we are expecting the market to come back, but let's see. As I said yesterday, that I'm expecting the market to mitigate this monthly key level. So market has not mitigated this monthly key level. So let's see what the market has for us on analysis time frame. This is our analysis time frame, and this is what the market is giving us now. You can see this is the break of structure, and this is the demand zone. You can see the demand how the demand zone is, and this is other block, because we are having break of structure. So we are still buying the market into this monthly key level, and there is weekly key level right there. So let's just see if this market is going to give us what bullish to this monthly key level. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. You can see the opportunity we saw on 4 hour time frame. It aligned with 1 hour time frame. So let's just be focused. Let's see if the market is coming. It's coming here to trigger us in, and if the market does not trigger, it definitely is coming to this demand, this major demand on 4 hour time frame. So this is what I'm having. This is what I see on USDJPY. Let's move to GBPJPY. GBPJPY is in downtrend, so you don't need anything. This is what market is giving. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is the demand, and you can see all what market is just created. Market just created liquidity. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the opportunity we saw yesterday, but the market was not what take us out. Market take us out. That is stop loss. This is what the market is giving us. You can see after market mitigate this supply, you can see this supply is still valid because it gave us change of character. After market gave us change of character, market mitigated this supply that gave us change of character, and you can see what market is doing now. Now this is what market is doing. This is what the market is doing. There's no opportunity here. There's no opportunity here. You can see this is a breaker block market. Market has mitigated this breaker block. This is breaker block market. So all what we just need now, let's see if the market can give us market. All what just on this is an opportunity now. This is an FEG. So let's be expecting the market to mitigate this FEG. This is not FEG safe because this candle has not closed. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. So this is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. Let's see if the market can come here to this key level. You can see I'm expecting this key level. So we are taking our take profit here. This way we are taking our take profit. You can see this is where we are taking our take profit. So let's just be patient and see. This is the coordinates. You can see this is our entry, this is our take profit, and this is our stop trade. We are buying, this is our entry, this is our take profit, this is our stop trade. So this is what I see on the market today. So let's see what BTC has for us, and crypto and Ethereum. Let's see what they ask for us. So I'm still on daily time frame on BTC. This is what I'm seeing. You can see this is what I'm seeing. This is the swing high, and the swing market is in between, and there's mostly key level here. On 4 hour time frame, this is our demand zone. So market trigger us in. Let's see if it's going to give us bullish. And you can see this our set after 2 hours, it went in our favor. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame after the market was. You can see this is our mistake. There's FEG here. Market come back here before we fuck up yesterday. Seriously, this is our mistake. You can see this is our mistake on 1 hour time frame. This is our mistake. This is our mistake. This is our break of structure because this is a week. So this is our mistake, and this is the other block. So you can see this, you can see our mistake. That is our mistake. So on our time frame, that is why market triggers in and went in our favor. So you can see what the market just did. So today, this the buy is still valid. Let's just be expecting the buy. Let's move to 15 minutes. If you can see the opportunity to buy the market, this is the last break of short. This is the what liquidity swept. As for me, this is a liquidity swept on what? This is a liquidity swept. After the liquidity, let market mitigate this FEG before you can see the content. So the BTC what we are still in buy. We are still in buy on BTC. We are still in buy on BTC because I was expecting the market to mitigate this what? This monthly key level before giving us what downtrend. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has for us. This is what Ethereum has for us. This is the last break of today from Ethereum time. From daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the FEG. So let's be expecting if the market can mitigate this key level before continuing the uptrend. On 4 hour time frame, this is the FEG. I'm expecting the market to mitigate it before we can see a what a uptrend. This will serve as what liquidity. So up. I'm still expecting uptrend on what on BTC on Ethereum also. So this is what I have. This is what the market prints for us. So let us be patient. Let's not be patient. Let us be patient and see what the market is trying to give us. Peace and love. Have a successful and have a profitable days ahead. We are all going to successful and we are all going to profitable and successful in this trading journey and in any other skills we are into. Have a great day. Thanks.